The most expensive-looking yards aren't always filled with expensive materials. A restrained color choice, a properly scaled feature, or a more intentional layout can create the high-end effect for far less than you'd expect. A dark fence behind bright greenery, a gravel courtyard, a stone drainage channel that looks like part of the landscape. Here are 10 features that prove it, starting with number 1. Number 1. A small gravel courtyard can look far more expensive than an unfinished patch of lawn. This simple space defines a cozy seating area for a fraction of the cost of a stone patio, costing just $250 to $700 in materials. The secret is treating it like an outdoor room. Keep the shape a clean, simple rectangle, clear away the topsoil, and compact a 4-inch base of crushed limestone to keep it level. Install sturdy polymer edging to frame the space and prevent migration. Finish with one consistent gravel color and an intentional group of chairs. Avoid throwing loose gravel directly over dirt without a base. It quickly shifts, exposes weeds, and looks unfinished. Remember to maintain a slight slope away from your foundation for proper drainage. In second place, a darker fence can make ordinary plants look richer and more dramatic. It creates a high-end designer look without the cost of a full boundary replacement. By refinishing just one prominent section behind a patio or planting bed, you establish a strong vertical frame. Muted charcoal, dark brown, or soft black stains cause the structure to visually recede, allowing green foliage and colorful flowers to pop. For about $2 to $14 per linear foot, DIY, you can apply a water-based, semi-transparent stain. Always prep by cleaning the wood thoroughly and wear a respirator while applying a quiet matte finish. Avoid painting over damp wood or using glossy finishes, which catch the light and look cheap, distracting from your beautiful plants. In third place, one properly scaled planter often looks more expensive than a collection of small pots. Placing one substantial urn establishes an instant focal point to anchor your front entry, patio, or walkway ending. To get this look on a budget, choose a lightweight resin or composite container for $80 to $130. These capture the texture of natural stone or ceramic without the heavy lifting. Choose a generous 30-gallon size so roots have room to thrive, and keep the planting arrangement clean and simple. If your yard gets windy, add 15 to 30 pounds of sand at the base for ballast, keeping the drainage holes clear. Avoid squeezing massive evergreens into small pots, which looks awkward and stunts growth. Number 4. An arbor creates an architectural moment without requiring a full pergola. This simple structure adds high-end vertical interest by organizing movement through a clear transition, like a side yard path or garden gate. To get this look on a budget, choose a basic wood or metal kit for $200 to $400, aligning the opening over an actual root. Tie the finish to nearby elements like your fence. The biggest mistake is placing an arbor randomly in the middle of the lawn, where it looks like lost decoration rather than an intentional threshold. For safety, check for overhead utility lines and anchor the posts below your local frost line. Then, pair it with a light climber like clematis so you do not crush the frame. In fifth place, one substantial stone usually looks more convincing than a bed filled with tiny decorative rocks. It adds massive visual weight and a sense of permanent age with total restraint. You can find a large native fieldstone at a local supplier for under $10. The secret is to avoid just plopping it on top of loose mulch. Instead, dig a shallow seat and bury the bottom third of the stone directly into the soil, then soften one edge with a low perennial. This makes the rock look naturally rooted over time. Before digging, call 811 to verify underground utility lines. Because these stones easily weigh hundreds of pounds, use a heavy-duty dolly or mechanical help to protect your back. Finally, leave enough edge clearance for your mower to pass easily. In sixth place, a drainage problem can become one of the most expensive-looking features in the yard. Instead of hiding an awkward downspout extension, you can guide that runoff into a beautiful, stone-lined, dry creek bed. An attainable DIY version costs around $1,100 for a protective geotextile liner, native river rock, and a few moisture-loving plants. The trick is to lay it out along the natural path of the water, mimicking a real stream with larger boulders framing the edges and smaller gravel lining the center. Make sure to maintain a minimum 2% slope to carry water away from your home, keeping the channel at least 5 feet from your foundation. Never dump this runoff onto your neighbor's property, and if your water issues are severe, consult a pro first. Number 7. A paver and gravel walkway offers a custom look for a fraction of the cost of solid stone. By spacing out large concrete stepping pavers and filling the gaps with clean gravel, you create a repeating pattern that feels incredibly deliberate. It looks like a designer path, but uses far fewer expensive hardscape units. To build it, excavate the organic soil and compact a sturdy 4-inch base of crushed stone in layers to prevent shifting. Set your large pavers with comfortable, consistent spacing in mind and pack pea gravel around them. Be sure to install solid polymer edging along the borders to keep the stones contained. Skipping the base or mixing too many random materials will leave you with a loose, messy path that feels unstable underfoot. In 8th place, one illuminated tree can make the entire property feel more expensive after dark. This works because an existing tree already provides the scale, allowing a tiny bit of light to create major evening depth without cluttering the lawn with fixtures. Instead of scattered solar lights, use 1 or 2 warm, discreet, outdoor-rated LED lights. Position them near the base, aiming them upward to spotlight the trunk and canopy while keeping the source hidden and out of neighboring windows. A quality low-voltage setup runs about $100 to $200 per fixture, plus $80 for a plug-in transformer. To stay safe and code-compliant, keep your buried wire runs under 30 feet. Anything longer requires a licensed electrician. Finally, add a timer to limit operating hours and prevent glare. In 9th place, matching your exterior hardware coordinates the smallest physical details to unify your home's entry. Instead of buying an expensive designer collection, selectively swap or paint prominent connectors like house numbers, porch lights, door hinges, and mailbox brackets into a single finish family, like matte black or aged bronze. When every hook, screw, and fixture shares the same finish, the exterior feels completely cohesive rather than mismatched and messy. Always choose outdoor-rated, corrosion-resistant pieces, such as powder-coated steel, to prevent ugly rust stains on your siding. If you live near the coast, insist on marine-grade stainless steel to resist salt air. It is an affordable, low-material upgrade where simple visual repetition builds major curb appeal. Number 10. A repeated row of one graceful plant can look more expensive than a bed filled with many varieties. Repeating a single ornamental grass, like switchgrass or little blue stem, creates a rhythmic wave of texture and movement that feels cohesive. At $20 to $30 per plant, a 10-foot sweep costs just $200 to $400. The biggest trap is planting them too close for instant gratification. Instead, space them 4 to 6 feet apart, based on mature width, so they have room to breathe. Also, check local rules to avoid aggressive, invasive varieties that can ruin the design. With a few thoughtful choices, your yard can look beautifully elevated. Subscribe for more yard glow-ups. Across all 10 features, one truth emerges. High-end design is about restraint, not budget. By focusing on scale, repetition, and simple alignment instead of pricey materials, any suburban yard can feel like a custom retreat. Your space doesn't need a fortune to look intentional. Subscribe for more yard glow-ups.